Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Active Ice Machine Cleaner. I'm going to show you how I clean my ice machine with it. Now the first thing you're going to do is turn your machine off, take all the ice out, and if it's got a drain in the bottom, open up the drain and let all the water out, or just take all the water out. And then you're going to fill up this with just 4 ounces of this ice machine cleaner. Okay, so you're going to pour the 4 ounces in there. Then you're going to put the rest just fresh water up to your max line. Now this holds true for machines that have a cleaning cycle and that don't have a cleaning cycle. So there I've got it filled up. I've got my 4 ounces of the full strength ice machine cleaner and then just regular water. Plug it in, turn it on, and you're going to let it make ice. Now up here, if you have a clean cycle, you're going to select that and do a clean cycle. But this one doesn't have a clean cycle, so I'm going to let it produce 2 batches of ice. Now, what's going to happen is let it fill up, and there's that micro or that light. When ice gets tall enough, it'll shut it off. So let it shut it off. Take this ice and throw it out, and then put a little bit more water in there and let it make some more ice. 2 batches of ice. Now this descaler does not have a high odor to it either. And then once we're all done, we're going to drain this out. You can use that drain line on the bottom, or just take a cup and take all the water out. Then you're going to put just fresh water in there. We got to do some fresh water rinsing. So you're going to put the fresh water in here. Again, let it do 2 things of ice. Throw the ice out each time. Take that water out, fill it up again with fresh water, and do that 2 more times. So you want a total of 4 batches of ice that you're going to throw away to get the fresh water rinse completed. And at the very end, drain out the water and then put fresh water in it. You're ready to go. So again, to repeat the process, 4 ounces, fill it up with water, let it make ice. After it makes ice, throw the ice out, and then you're going to drain that out, and then you're going to put fresh water in here, let it make ice 2 times, throw the ice out, drain it, put fresh water in, let it make ice again, throw that ice out, and then drain it, fresh water in, and you're ready to go. That's how you're going to want to clean or descale your ice machine. Now, a lot of this is going to depend on how hard your water is and how often you use this. I try to do this at least every 6 months. Sometimes it might be a little sooner. You might notice your ice starting to taste a little weird, and that will help improve the taste. Now, this whole process can take a couple hours, and you do get 8 uses. This is 32 ounces, so you do get 8 times of cleaning your ice machine with it. Okay, the active ingredients are water, sodium bisulfate, and citric acid. I do like that they even give you marks on here on what 4 ounces is. So just pour it down to here for your first cleaning, then the second one, then the third one. Okay, those drains can be a little hard sometimes. It's up underneath here, but you don't want to tilt the machine over because there is oil inside the compressor. So put it over your sink, and it's just normally just a plug. You're just going to open it up, and then the water's going to drain out. So I had this little rubber plug and this kind of plug. So I'll put this plug back in first, followed by this, and that will drain all the water out. As we can see, all the water is draining out. This will be very helpful doing it by the sink, because you're going to be filling this up and down quite a bit. I really do like the Active Ice Machine Cleaner. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.